Okay, back to just German. Heidi now is going to speak. He has just sung that song, and Heidi, remember, this is a play, and this is the second scene. Heidi is going to say, "Ach, natürlich kenne ich dieses Lied. Klaus, ich mag dich, aber du spielst schlecht Gitarre." Und singst noch schlechter. Gebe mir bitte diese Gitarre. Why I pause so long is, this isn't right. It's got to be like that, schlecht. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, and now I've translated it like this: naturally, and here's something to learn about German. Now, I've pointed out, I think before, that suffix, if you will, or inflection changes an adjective into an adverb. Know I this song? Well, know, I wrote up here, in German there's two ways to know. In French as well, and in Portuguese. You can know a fact, or you can be familiar with something. Like, I know the city of Lisbon. I know it. I've been there. I know it. I ken it. I don't weiß ich, which would be the form of this one. They're one word in English, and you have to learn to split it. That happens so often with languages, where one word has a wider territory in one language than it does in another. An example of that, in a way, which is unusual, that there's a way that English actually makes a distinction that German does not, is with this word, dieses Lied. Dieses Lied. Well, here it's diese Gitarre. Dieses Lied means this song, or that song. Yes, I know that song. Well, you can't really say this cat or that cat. It's dieses Katze and dieses Katze. In German, you have to get around that. There's not. You can say ich habe dies, du hast das, dies und das. You can do that, but not when it's an adjective, not when it's describing. In Portuguese, there's three levels. This right here, este. This, pretty close, esse. And that, aquele. There's three levels of distance. Now this is, I'm talking about demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. And if you know your grammar, that's easier to understand. Anyway, naturally know I this song. Klaus, I like you, but you play bad guitar. This doesn't mean a bad guitar. This is not an adjective. Well, in English, it means you play the guitar badly. In English, you can't say you play bad. I mean, you can, but it's regarded as not standard English. And it's one of the fun things about German. You play bad. That's correct German. Du spielst schlecht. Und singst noch schlechter. And sing still badder. Now see, that's not really English. But I didn't want to write worse because it's the same word. Schlecht, schlechter. This is a comparative degree. And that happens more often, much more often, in German. I guess in English you would say you sing more badly, or still, well, you just change the word to worse. I'll come back to that later. Give me, please, this guitar. Die Gitarre. I have trouble with the R. Die Gitarre. Die Gitarre. I can't get that R. My German friends make fun of me because I can't do that. Not yet. Well, you would probably say die, not diese. But I wanted to say, give me this guitar. Give me that guitar. Give me that guitar. She's going to play. Is what's going to happen. All right. What else to show you here? These need Klaus, ich mag dich. Now I see the verb is in the second position. There's the first item. This doesn't count because it's an interjection. Again, the verb to like, I like, is in second element. This doesn't count because that's a noun of direct address. It's not tied up with the syntax. Aber du spielst. Now it looks like this is the third element, play, but you see coordinating conjunctions don't count with that rule. Schlecht Gitarre und singt. Well, it looks like this is now the first element since und doesn't count. But you see, this is not a clause. This is you. Here's the subject. You play and sing. This is a compound predicate. Still schlechter, still better. Gebe mir. Well, there's the verb at the beginning. But you see, this is a command. This is a command. This is called the imperative voice, imperative mood. Gebe mir. Give me. The rules are different. Just like in a question, you would reverse it. Bitte diese Gitarre. Well, bitte, I translated it as please, but there is a cognate, to bid. It's like if you ask something, you are the verb bitten. I bid you do that. I bid you. It's related. Please comes from is French, so there actually is a kind of a cognate, which makes it easier to remember. Okay, let me try that one more time. Heidi says, ach, natürlich kenne ich dieses Lied. Klaus, ich mag dich, aber du spielst schlecht Gitarre und singst noch schlechter. Gebe mir bitte diese Gitarre. I wish I could pronounce the German better, but yeah. Okay, on today's Saturday. I won't have a class tomorrow. In the next class, I'll show you what Heidi's going to do when she has the guitar. So I hope to see you then.